In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure items with multiple depths for one of our custom foam templates, so that we could generate a CAD drawing and send a toolpath to our CNC machine for cutting. For this project, you will learn how to trace, measure, and submit a template for a multi-level custom foam insert. Let's begin by arranging the items on the template within the thick black lines. We will use the enclosed sharpie to trace each of the items. Now that we have traced our items, it's time to measure them for depth. The 30-round magazines have single depths and can be measured and labeled. To begin measuring the 50-round magazine and rifle for multiple depths, identify the variations in depth and partition each segment with an intersecting dashed line. After these segments have been identified, measure the depth of each segment and label the template for reference. When partitioning the rifle into segments based on variations in depth, we need to look along the vertical and horizontal grid lines. Along the vertical grid, the barrel depth changes at around the front sight for the full length of the mounted bipod, and changes again at the forward assist just before the stock. Along the horizontal grid, our first depth change is partitioned between the guardrail and the bipod, and again between the upper and lower receivers and the optics. The only other areas that need to be marked are the optic lens and the sling mount. After we have identified all the depth changes and marked them using dashed lines, we can measure and label each segment at its deepest point. To complete the template, indicate the type of access and make sure to sign and date the template, as well as choose your level of service. Then roll up the completed template and place it back into its original mailing tube. Affix the postage paid return label over the original label and ship the template back to us. To trace a custom foam insert design for a handgun and to see step-by-step instructions using our templates, check the links in the description below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.